Cornell Institute of Technology and Design. And this event that we have for the 2 days, today and tomorrow, that is AITD Ideas. So AITD Ideas is basically a challenge that we give to our students to solve real life problems based on sustainability development goals from United Nations. And these solutions that our students do are actually real life problems what our society faces around us, and they try to provide some solution through technology because that's what they are learning in engineering. And as we know, engineering is not only confined to the books. We have to learn outside the books and apply the knowledge that we learn in our classrooms, and that's what our students exactly are doing. And this event basically gives them a platform to showcase their talent, to how they think innovatively, creatively, and then the prototype that they develop, and we have industry people to judge them, to understand them, to guide them. So this is our flagship event which annually we do every year. Secondly, we have another event called as Yukti, AITD Yukti, which is a championship event for our higher secondary students all across Goa. So we have invited almost more than 50 plus higher secondaries across Goa, and they are participating in our event. And there are 4 events for the higher secondary students. One of them is again Project Expo, where they have to do a prototype of again solving some real life problem. So these 2 events are basically focusing on their innovation and creativity. Apart from this, there are many other events which the students can witness in our campus. So this is all about our 2 days event.
I am Father Agnel Gomes, Director of AITD College, and today we are having dual program, dual events, Yukti and Ideas, AITD Ideas. Yukti is mainly for high secondary students, for them to present their projects, and AITD Ideas is projects for the AITD students. They are all innovative projects, and mainly we have the high secondary students come present their projects, their ideas, and also for them to come and see our engineering projects, which are a little higher caliber, and our engineering students are able to present such projects not only in the college but also at the state level and also at the national level. In fact, last year many of our students won state awards even at the national level with their very innovative projects. Projects based on AI, projects based on innovation, mostly dealing with problems in the state of Goa, and daily problems. And we are solving problems, many of our problems that we face every day, so that we can be able to navigate some issues. Now, right now, there is one project. The first project I saw was about medical problems. Like we're looking for a doctor, trying to get an appointment. And I think it's something. When they go to GMC, they have to wait for 2-3 hours just to get an appointment. Now with this, they have brought an app, come up with an app where they can book that appointment right from their home, and be in time for the appointment. They don't have to wait there for 3 hours. So also there is another beautiful project I've seen related to recycling. They have created, mechanical students have created a small little vending machine type, where it's a reverse, they call it a reverse vending machine, where the bottle that they've used, the plastic water, the bottle, they can put it back there and they can gather points, they are given points, and that could be credit for their future expense, or whichever organization, like a mall or an institution like us can give them points, can give them credit so that they can use it for some future benefits. So I think these are all innovative ideas that can help society at large and help individuals as well. So we are very proud of our students, and I hope it benefits everybody.
Aglin Institute of Technology and Design, Asagam. We started AITD Ideas last year, and this is the second year we are having this event at our institute. So under AITD Ideas, students take up a problem related to sustainable development goals given by United Nations, which has been adopted by around 190 countries, and they provide a solution to those problems. So for this, the management of the institute gives them funding, the mentorship, the infrastructure, and training support to convert their idea into actual product or a prototype. So there are two purposes why our director, Father Agnello Gomes, he started this initiative. The first one is the outcome-based education, which is in line with the National Education Policy, wherein the students are encouraged to give hands-on, to learn hands-on. So when they take real-life problems and they do hands-on, they work hands-on on it, they learn things better and they learn things conceptually. And the second purpose is entrepreneurship, which aligns in the Make in India initiative. So here at AITD Ideas, the students, when they think about real-world problems which the society is facing, and at this stage, when they think about that inculcates a spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship spirit within them. So we have Center of Incubation facilities. So this year our aim is to take those projects, the best projects we will take, and we will handhold them to convert their idea into actual business. So you can see there are wonderful projects which the students have created, the most innovative ones with real life problems which the world is facing today. So I encourage all the institutes in Goa and all the institutes across to start such initiatives, because when you give them this platform at this young stage, that builds them the road for their future innovations. And obviously our country needs more innovators and more entrepreneurs for the future. Thank you.
सो माझं नाव आर्यन देसाय. सो आमची एक टीम आसा. आमी हांगासर एक रिवर्स वेंडिंग मशीन केलेलो आसा. सो रिवर्स वेंडिंग मशीन बेसिकली डील्स विथ प्लास्टीक बॉटल्स, लायक प्लास्टीक बॉटल्स लिटरेशन खूब जाता सो ते कमी करपाक आमचो एक प्रयत्न आसा. सो एक प्रत्येक मनशा कडेन आमी स्पेशल युनिक आयडी घेतला, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. सो ह्यो तो मनीस येतलो आमच्या कडेन. वील प्लेस हीज आयडी ऑन माय लॅपटॉप. तेन्ना आयडी एंटर जातली लॅपटॉपाचेर, ताचो इंटरफेस ओपन जाता. सो तेणी ती हाडलेली बॉटल आसा ती प्लेस करता. त्या बॉटलचो वेट डिटेक्ट जातलो आनी ज्यो टोटल बॉटल्स तेणी आमचे कडेन घातल्या तेजे एक टोटल अकाउंटान येतले. सो वेन दॅट टोटल वेट विच इज 1 किलोग्राम वी वील गेट अ रिवॉर्ड खूब आसू शकता. लायक कुपन्स आसतले, डिस्कावंट कुपन्स आसतले, आमचे स्पॉन्सर्स आसतले तेंचे डिस्कावंट कुपन आसतले. सो इट वील कीप ऑन एंगेजींग पीपल कीप रिसायकलींग पॉयंट्स. सो ज्यो बॉटल्स भायर पडटा त्यो आमच्या मशिनान वयतल्यो आनी इट वील सेव द एनवायरमेंट इन द बेसीक वे. जे आमचो बेसीक प्रयत्न आसा भायर पडटा त्या बॉटली आमी रिसायकल करता. प्लेस करता टोटल वेट लायक फॉर एक्झाम्पल सम आतां 1 kg ऑलरेडी जाला जाल्यार बॉटल प्लेस रिवॉर्ड एक पाहिजे. आता आम्ही AITचे पास आउट स्टुडंट्स. आदल्या वर्सान आमी प्रोजेक्ट, आमच्या प्रोजेक्टाचें नांव ऑटोनॉमस लायफ सेवर्स सर्फेस व्हेहिकल. कित्याक जेन्ना एक मनीस बुडटा सो पयलीं कित्याक लायफ गार्ड ताका वचून पिवन हाडटा. आतां कितें आमी एक अशें डिवायस केला की ताका ऑटोमॅटीक डिटेक्ट करून ताका परत वाचून हाडपाचो. सो आतां हो म्हाजो कलीग समरू तुका एक्सप्लेन करता.
So it's जाणा while saving a person from बुडटा समज आनी वाचोवपाक टायम लागता कित्याक मॅन्युअली मनीस पावता मागीर टायम लागता. सो आमी कितें करता, हो बॉय आसा तो आमी डिप्लॉय करता आनी कॅमेरान डिटेक्ट करता पयलीं तो कॅमेरा. सो तो कॅमेरा सिग्नल मागीर तुका लॅपटॉपार येता. लॅपटॉपान मागीर तुका कळटा कोण बुडटा कोण स्विमींग करता तो. सो मागीर क्लासिफाय करता तो आनी मागीर तो बॉय डिटेक्ट करता आनी लॉन्च जाता त्या मनशाक घरपासून तो रिटर्न येता व्हिडिओ प्ले करता एक्सप्लेन करता हो आमचो कॅमेरा ऑन शोर आसता तो ही आमची लॅपटॉप स्क्रीन सो तूं हांगा दिसता की ते बाउंडिंग बॉक्स केला पळय ती आमचो योलो सिस्टम तो इमेज डिटेक्शन सो एज यू कॅन सी हांगा स्विमींग दाखयता स्विमींग म्हणजे कितें पर्सन डिस्टन्सान ना आनी नॉर्मल कंडिशनान आसा आनी जेन्ना आमचो पर्सन ड्रावनींग एक्शन करता टू मिमीक ड्रावनींग तो बाउंडिंग ब्लॉक चेंज जाता हेज ड्रावनींग सो मागीर गोंयाक कितें सिग्नल येता 100 फ्रेम्स 60% ऑफ फ्रेम्स इज ड्रावनींग सो मागीर तो लॉन्च जाता मागीर तो रिसेंटर जाता ड्रावनींग जाता तेणे मागीर लॉन्च जाता
सो ताका आमी आतां कोड दिला सो आतां मनशा कडेन पावलो न्हू सो मनशा बॉय आमचो अपडावन जाय आमी प्रॉक्सिमिटी सेन्सर लायला सो कितें जालें मनशा लागीं जो बॉय पावलो तो पावर कट ऑफ जाता मागीर आमी ताका कोड दिला आतां असो गेला न्हू बॉय सो मनशाक ग्रीप करूंक हँडल जाय सो आमी बॉय आमचो फूल 180 डिग्रीज टर्न मारलो हँडल मनशाच्या हातीक पावपाक जाय पावतलें आनी जंय दिसलें बॉयक दिसलें मनशा आपल्या हेचेर लोड पडला 2-3 सेकंड्स रावतलो तो आनी परत लॉन्च जातलो होम पोजिशन म्हणजे खंयचें आमी शोराक
हे करपाक म्हाका कितके दिसले हे म्हयने लागले
सो आमचो फायनल इयराचो प्रोजेक्ट आसलो आमी लास्ट इयर असो जुनान तो स्टार्ट केलो मागीर आमचे रिव्यूज आसले फर्स्ट इयराक आमी आमचो आयडिया सगळो पिच केली सगळो मॉडल बी दाखयलो आनी बाय 8th सेमिस्टर आमी आमचो फूल प्रोजेक्ट करून टेस्ट करून दाखयलो आमी ONGC सुद्दां गेल्ले पार्टिसिपेट करपाक आमी रनर अप म्हणून गेल्ले
So I'm Simran and it's my project partner Ria. Our project is titled Company Pioneer Unveiling Goa Through Elevation. The project basically revolves around showcasing the government schemes that we are offered. And we have tried to promote Konkani as a language as much as we can. It was a project from the government, so we picked it from them. We've taken 10 separate schemes and we've made a video for each of those schemes. So how just मातसो तो video play करता each video आम्ही एक टॉपिकार केला वो आतांचो व्हिडिओ तुम्ही पळयलो that is on the laptop scheme that is given by the government. So if you belong to the SC or ST caste and if you scored more than 90% for your 12th standard, then you get a free laptop. That is what the scheme is about. So each video आम्ही असो केला तेतून आम्ही तूं कसो अप्लाय करतलो आनी तुका कितें डॉक्युमेंट्स लागतले ते सगळे आमी तेतून शोकेस केले अशें आमी ह्या व्हिडिओ केले
हे आतां हे करपाक म्हाका कितके दीस लागले
हे आमकां करपाक एक 6 म्हयने कशे लागले पयलीं रिकॉर्डिंग मागीर ते एडिटिंगाक मातसो चड टायम लागता बिकॉज ताका सिंक जावपाक मातसो चड एफर्ट लागता
परत श्रेया सो आमचो हो प्रोजेक्ट आसा तो ऑटोनॉमस फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर रोवर आमकां हो करपाक अरावंड 1 वरास भर लागले तिका आमी ML पॉलिटिक्स घेता अरावंड 18,000 इमेजीस सो बेसिकली कितें करता एक असो कंडिशन आसा ह्युमन वचो ना जाल्यार ह्युमन म्हटलें एक हेजार्डियस सिच्युएशन डेंजरस सिच्युएशन तो हो रोवर वयता आनी ताका एक आमी 4 kg सिलिंडर घालता कार्बनाचो तो वयता आनी आपूण डिटेक्ट करता कॅमेरा ताका लायडार सेन्सर येता गायरोस्कोप सेन्सर येता MU6050 आनी रसबेरी पाय लावन ताका कॅमेराचेर आनी तो डिटेक्ट करता आपूण वचून तो आपूण पालयता ताका एक व्हिडिओ करपाक अप्रॉक्स आमकां अरावंड 10 ते 12 म्हयने लागले आमकां सगळे फॉर्म स्क्रॅच आमी तो बिल्ड करता JC ताका मेकॅनिकलय आमकां लागलो हे करपाक कंप्युटरय आमकां खूब यूज जाले भितूर आनी आमचे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कंपोनंट्स आसात आमचे हितून सगळे सो सगळे करपाक आमकां अरावंड वरास भर लागले
माझे नाव शिवम, त्याचे नाव श्रीश कोडेकर, संजित शेटकर, श्रेयान गाड, अश्विन शेट्टी. तर आमच्या टिमाचे नाव इनोवेटर स्क्वॉड. तर आम्ही एक जॅकेट तयार केल्लें आसा ब्लायंड पिपला खातीर. तर हेका 5 फिचर्स आहा. एक ऑब्जेक्ट डिटेक्शन. वी आर हॅविंग 5 फिचर्स. ऑब्जेक्ट डिटेक्शन, navigation, text recognition, live location tracking and fall detection. So as you can see, for object detection, these are the 4 sensors, ultrasonic sensors. These sensors send the waves and receive the waves. So time is calculated and the object distance is calculated as per this sensor. So these sensors are distributed in 3 ways. This is right, left. These 2 are from center. So if anything comes in front of this buzzer buzzes. If anything comes at right, then this sensor buzzes. If anything comes here, this sensor buzzes. So the user can identify where the object is and can move accordingly.
Next thing is we have installed HP32 cameras. So these cameras just text recognition and object detection. So whenever a person is there or whenever a chair is there, as we have seen in the videos, it can detect the chair in the left, the center or the right. If there is a person, it will detect that there is a person in the center, person in the right or person in the left. If there is some text which the blind person has to read, and it will say out loud that hello everyone, or some menu if it has to read, then it will read that. That also is there. Plus we have installed this GPS cameras over here, like GPS modules. So it will send the locations of this person to his guardian or whoever he is connected to. So he can track his location, monitor him whenever he wants. Next thing is gyro sensors we have applied for fall detection. So whenever there is a sudden acceleration and the person might fall backwards, front, anywhere, then the buzzer will buzz. It's on the back side. So the buzzer will buzz. It will buzz for 40 seconds. If nobody is able to help him, or if he stabilizes, gets up and just walks away, then the buzzer will not continuously buzz, but will stop after 3 minutes and again buzz for 40 seconds.
My name is Arya Moses, as तुमकां गोंयांत कितके वेल्स आसा जे पीपल यूज फॉर ड्रिंकींग वॉटर, बेदींग करपाक, नाल्यार इरिगेशन करपाक. पण वेल्सां कोण पळयता, कोण अशें पळयना की कितके क्लीन आसा, कितके उदीक उरला. आनी मागीर रेनीच्या टायम सगळे म्हणटा की अरे वेल्स पाणी खराब, हू इज नॉट यूज इट. सो आमी कितें थिंक केलें की वील मेक अ मॉड्यूल ऑफ सेन्सर्स. हे सेन्सर्स पाणी चॅक करतले कितके बरें आसा, कितके डर्टी आसा, कितके उदीक आसा. आनी मागीर ॲपार तुका दाखयता, ॲप आसा हांगा, तो ॲपार दाखयता की पाणी कशें आसा, वॉटर लेवल कशें आसा आनी pH कसो आसा. ऑल दीस थिंग्स वील बी गिवन टू पंचायत. Then they can make decisions to check the well, to update the sensors maybe, to check whether we should cover the well during rainy season, how much you should use during summer season.
माझं नाव चंद्रकांत नाईक, हांव मेडिकल वार्सुलांतलो. सो आमी एक प्रोजेक्ट केला मेडिनीक. SP32 लायन आनी तो आमचो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा, समज कोणाक हार्ट अटॅक येवपाचो जाल्यार तो प्रेडिक्ट करूंक शकता, कोण फेंट जाताले तो प्रेडिक्ट करता. आनी एक एप आसा तेज्या थ्रू तो तेजे इमर्जन्सी आसा तेका एक डायरेक्ट SMS मेसेज धाडटा. आनी समज फॉल्स अलार्म आसा, एक्सरसायज केलो बिकाट टेम्परेचर वाडटा, हार्टबीट वाडटा. सो फॉल्स अलार्म आसा आनी कॅन्सल बटन सुद्दां आसा. कॅन्सल बटन अलर्ट दिता. एक समज हार्टबीट बी देवली, BPM बी देवलो जाल्यार अलर्ट दिता.
Here there are 2 powerful fans which pulls the pollution from the city. So it is directly passed to the air filtration chamber. So here we have filters and it purifies the air. So it removes the carbon particle and then it is transferred to this system where the air is released into the air. So
आय एम आयुष. ओके, सो आतां सध्या ऑफ केला प्रोजेक्ट, पण हो प्रोजेक्ट कितें करता, आतां प्लास्टीक बॉटल जर तुवें घेतली, so it detects the plastic bottle and it places it somewhere else. So this could be used in sorting plastic waste from a pile of waste, you can say. So how is this executed? Could you explain?
Okay, so first of all, we have a camera over here. Okay, this tiny camera, it scans objects around it, and once it sees objects around it, we have an IR sensor. This IR sensor, it detects the objects. Once it detects the objects, we have an algorithm fitted into this. This is a Raspberry Pi. Just like how computers have a CPU, this is basically the heart of the whole project. So what it does is the algorithm, it detects objects around it, and it's a very deep and fast-paced algorithm. So it detects objects quickly and sends signals to this servo motor driver. This one has 6 motors connected to it. One is for this movement side by side, one is for this, second one, third one is here, this is the fourth one, here is the fifth one, up and down, sixth one is to close. So here are the 6 motors. It's a 16 channel one. We've used only 6 because of the 6 motors in it. So what this does, this sends signals to the servo motor driver, which in turn sends signals to all the motors. So once that is done, the arm moves and it picks up objects and segregates it from other waste items.
So the thing that makes it different from other machines is, first of all, it's automated. Okay, it's doing things on its own. Second thing, it is nothing else. You could just, change the grabber, change whatever you want, and then upgrade it to any extent. So it's applicable to like every industrial work. Third thing is, it is AI powered.
2025 is an Inter-Higher Secondary Sports and Science Challenge, which is conducted by our institute, Admiral Institute of Technology and Design, for the higher secondaries across Goa. The major purpose of this particular event is to promote intellect, innovation, and teamwork among the students. In this particular championship, we have 4 competitions, basically quiz, elocution, project expo, and futsal.